pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my watercolor method. MegaLook had sent me this 613 22-inch wig and I was super excited for it because I was dying to do some more color. So this is how the packaging comes. It's come in this pink pretty box and I was so happy because your girl loves pink. That's my favorite color. Now I want to show you guys the 3 colors that I use. 2 are the same and 1 is different. I use 2 sunrise orange and I use 1 orange blaze, and I use the whole bottle of number 39 and 1 bottle of number 38 and like a half a bottle of the other 38. So yeah, I'm basically showing you guys all the colors. And now we're in my bathroom and I'm using orange blaze and sunrise orange together, and that's just gonna give me like a subtle orange per se, not so bright because I don't want like a bright orange. I want like a reddish orange that's like has like tones of brown in it. But it didn't really come out how I really wanted it to. I don't think it did, but it was okay because I still liked it anyway. You want the water to be as hot as possible so the dye can activate better than if it was cold. You also want to make sure to move the hair around, make sure all its parts are evenly distributed, and leave the hair in for about 5 minutes so it can fully soak in and get all the dye it can. You have it like this. Then it takes got to be what my hairstylist takes got to be. Ooh. That's very cold.
Just try it.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm trying to see.
I bet you called my name.
Oh,
You didn't?
no.
I think I'm hearing things.
It's like you don't even see it no more. Like this.
I'm trying to show you something special, we no game. I'm gonna take you to the show you all I got. Oh, this one looks, yeah. I'm gonna be back when I do my makeup because this is obviously not wanting to crimp and it's annoying me. I literally just burnt the hair. Hold up. This is my favorite song right now. Oh my gosh. She wants to lean, she wants the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me. When you give me a lap dance, baby, that's for the game. Baby, relax me. You ain't gotta act. Alright guys, so I remembered to get my concealer. And the first time I went, I got the wrong shade. I got freaking porcelain. If you don't know what that shade is mad light. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. Because I was like showing you guys in like one of my videos. I was like, okay. And I got my concealer in the shade porcelain. It was mad funny. But this is a toothpaste Born This Way. What is this? Super coverage multi-use sculpting concealer. So I got the big version because your girl is happy now. I like this product. I had butterscotch, but you guys know that it's probably too light for me, so I'm using maple. Even though it's winter time, butterscotch is probably my shade now. I don't know. Oh, this is my song. When she got addicted, if she gon' get down, call her friends to come and get her. Ooh.
You seen a nigga scars, you don't know. Like you know me, cause we got the bag on. Tell them we getting money.
Oh, I got powder everywhere. Gary with us.
It's just a stain, hold your tongue. You take an L, you gotta get back. And they don't want beef, we pull up on them with Big Mac.
Alright guys, and I also brought me the Morphe Starberry. Is Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. I'm super excited. Either you run it high day or you
Chip on my shoulder like who gon' stop me? I leave her wetter than a tsunami. Look, she touches, she wanna rob me.
It's the year of the rat, and he's spreading the coronavirus.
Oh.
For that. So, hi, pretties. We're back here today at Icylinn House. And scene. Wait.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh.
Wait. Let's see.
It's mommy. Nothing.
It's on control.
Okay, later. Oh, yeah, go.
Hello, good morning.
It's night.
The camera strap is off, right, guys. You know how hard this took for me to get this? I know it looks simple, but it took me some time. I had to watch the guy do it when I first got it. Why is my freaking blanket so gray? Because you freaking rubbed the thingy. But you guys, here's the final look. I forgot to show you guys it because I had to go to, like, leave for school. My face looks so
It's the final look.
oily. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for my videos. And girl, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.